Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the importance and explain what NAP is and why business directories are so important in local SEO. Now just to begin with, NAP stands for name, address and phone number, and it's a really important concept in local SEO because for Google to rank you high up on search engines, it needs to know and recognize your business name. It needs to know where your address is so it knows where to actually rank you and where you're based to show you to local customers. And it also needs to know what your phone number and contact information is, because this is key information in local SEO that local customers will want to get access to in order to get in contact with and work with you. And this is particularly relevant to business directories. So business directories might include Google Maps, Facebook, Trustpilot, Yelp, Yell, TripAdvisor, Foursquare, Show Me Local. You may also have niche specific business directories. So for example, if I type in dentist business directory, you'll see there's all these different business directories in the dentist niche. And you can actually find these directories in your niche by just typing whatever industry you're in and then business directory. These are just lists of businesses in your industry that are really important for stamping your credibility on the internet. And business directories are important because they also have your NAP. Business directories will also have your name, address and phone number on. And Google will commonly use these business directories as reference or seed sites, i.e. sites that it looks at in order to determine whether a business is trustworthy and credible. So when you're looking to work on your local SEO, I want you to make sure that you list your local business on as many relevant business directories as possible, because this is going to get Google and search engines to understand and recognize your business name, which means you're going to be more trustworthy and credible in their eyes, because you're going to be visible in more areas, in more websites that Google and search engines trust, which is going to be more likely that you rank higher up on search engines. Now, one really important thing is you want your NAP information, your name, address and phone number, to be consistent across everywhere that is listed. So for example, what I actually recommend is you have a dedicated section on your website, either on your contact, about, or a page dedicated to local SEO that has your address, your phone number, your contact information like your email. So if you don't want to have your phone number, have your email address, and your opening hours, as well as your business name, just like this. This is a really good example, next to a map with your Google business profile on. And you want to make sure that every business directory that you're on, the information that is on those is consistent with the information here, so that Google doesn't get confused with what your business name is, what the address is, etc., etc. Really important if you ever move location, just to again audit your profiles online to make sure that there's consistency. Now there's a number of ways that you can do this. On your Squarespace site, I just recommend that you have this information displayed like this. In order to get this map, all you need to do is type in your business name. So I'll do it for SEO Space. If you then actually head over to the business profile, so if you go on Google Maps and type in the business name, once you've got it, if you go to share and then embed a map, this is the actual code that you can embed into your website so that it comes up like this. And again, this creates a direct connection from your website to your actual business profile. As you can see here, there's a direct connection. And then what you need to do, you need to build a list of all the business directories that are relevant and in your industry and go through the process of actually applying and listing your business on there. Now, by the time this video comes out or by the time that you watch it, you may actually be able to access SEO Space's citation builder. So citations are business directories basically, and we're creating a tool that will automatically audit your visibility online. It'll audit your existing citations, your business directory listings. Will automatically then create business directory listings for you, as well as audit and fix any other directory listings where your NAP, your name, address and phone number isn't consistent. So you can either do it manually or you can wait until SEO Space's citation builder comes out in order to automatically do this for you. So there you are, guys. That is what NAP is and why business directories are so important. I really do advise you to not skip over this step, because business directory listings is one of the first things that we do on our website and our clients' websites. If you've got any questions, feel free to head over to the SEO Space support channel, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.